Hi engineers! This video is all about SDC Verifier software, and this is the sequel to our recent videos on Buoyancy and Tank FEM Loads. Please check them linked below in case you haven't watched them yet. Getting back to today's topic, we're about to discover a set of FEM loads one by one, and to add them, expand Model, FEM Load, right-click, Add, and the first one is Body Load. The title, Acceleration. Basically, body loads impact every element within a model and are used to simulate global movement, accelerations, or temperature changes. You can select coordinate system, but I will leave the default one, basic rectangular. And to assign specific load values, the desired body load should be first activated by checking the corresponding active boxes. Acceleration or gravity is used to represent gravity loads. To this segment, we can also relate rotational acceleration, and this is the rate at which the angular velocity of a rotating body changes with time. Rotational velocity represents a rotational velocity and the associated loads that arise from centripetal acceleration. Center of rotation specifies the position of the rotation center for rotational body loads, including both rotational velocity and rotational acceleration. Also, center of rotation's location can be selected manually. So I'm activating acceleration gravity, and in X direction, I'm setting 1. Press OK. And we can see that the load called acceleration was successfully added. Moving on to another one, which is Nodal. And I'm giving it a title. And as you can see in Entity Selection window, an option Add is activated. So I'm manually selecting nodes. Press OK. And to begin, it is essential to decide on the type of the load the user intends to create. And I'm selecting force type of a load, and again title load 1, for example, according to their coordinate systems. Definition coordinate system. It becomes accessible only if you choose the component as it is set by default. If you choose the components method for specifying that a direction of non-thermal load types. The components of the load are defined relative to the coordinate system you select. When it comes to equation coordinate system, it allows to select the coordinate system that will be used to evaluate equations for defining nodal or elemental loads when the method is configured as variable. And advanced load methods are available as well. By default, this setting aligns with an active coordinate system in the model, rather than automatically matching the coordinate system selected in the definition coordinate system. And when it comes to direction options, every non-thermal type of load is considered a vector quantity necessitating a specified direction. And it offers 5 distinctive methods for setting the direction of a load. So we have components, vector, along curve, normal to plane, and normal to surface. The components method involves directly entering the load components in 3 directions. And for other 4 methods, like vector, along curve, normal to plane, and normal to surface, you must click Specify button. So my adjustments are force, components, and the values 100, 100 in Y, and in Z minus 1000. Press OK, cancel. And we can see that the Nodal FEM load was added as well. Now, last but not the least, let's add Elemental FEM load. Again, title, pressure, and I would like to pick the properties. So expanding method, property, then an option, select from list of titled entities. I'm selecting the 3rd property. We can also show selected. Press OK. Here we can also add title, and we can see 7 types of elemental load. We have distributed load, pressure, temperature, heat flux, convection, radiation, and heat generation. And the first step is, of course, selecting the desired load type. And I'm selecting pressure. Direction will be normal to element phase. Method constant. And value pressure will be 100. Press OK. And here we need to select an element. Press OK. And now cancel. And we can see that the load was successfully added as well. What I would also like to show you is how to create individual loads based on the FEM loads we already created. So in job section, right-click on individual load, add. And the first one was, as you remember, acceleration, constraints, press OK. And the same scheme goes to the rest of the loads. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions on how to get started with SDC Verifier software, online help on our website may come in handy. So go to Software, Online Help, Help for SDC Verifier. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos to come.